Hi Aquarius, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a monthly reading for September. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly jump in and see what this month has in store for you. The first card that I see for you is the Ace of Swords, the Page of Wands, and the Chariot card. Person B has the Star card, the Death card, and the Lovers card. So they have all three major arcanas. Now let's also see what is the mutual feeling both of you have. What is the blockage in this relationship? And we'll also see what is the outcome of this relationship. Now, bottom of the deck, I have the Emperor card, which is Aries energy. So, either you're dealing with an Aries or you will get into that energy where you will lead this particular relationship. Now, what I'm seeing here from the first set of cards is that you have the Ace of Swords with the Page of Wands, which is very immature, childlike energy. Okay, with the Wands energy, you are focusing more on the physical beauty instead of thinking long term, and also thinking whether you're compatible with that person or not. So you're looking for short term fun. Okay, with the Ace of Swords, you want to go ahead and have a conversation with this person and then maybe look and see if this person would be interested to start all over again with you. So that's a fresh start or a new beginning that you are expecting. With the Chariot card, which is a Cancer energy, you want to march forward. You want to go ahead and maybe take this relationship to the next level. Okay. For person B, they have the Star card, which means that they think that you are their wish fulfillment. Okay, because Star card is Aquarius energy. Alright, the other two cards that I see is Death card and Lovers card. With Death card, they expect some kind of transformation to happen. Only then they will be able to go ahead and ensure that this relationship works for both of you. And that's when this person feels that both of you have this connection, but you're not able to go ahead and take care of it right away because both of you need some kind of a transformation to happen. In your own individual spaces, both of you have that emotional connection, both of you feel for each other, but maybe there are times when ego comes in between two people and that spoils relationships as well. So just go ahead and be a little patient. Okay, hear the other person out, also express your point of view and try to come into a consensus with each other. See if there's some kind of compromise adjustment that both of you need to take. Okay, let's also quickly see what is the mutual feeling both of you have. Now that's the Three of Swords. For some of you, there could have been a third party situation, but Three of Swords ideally means heartbreak, sorrow. So currently maybe both of you are going through that heartbreak. You're feeling a little sorrow, a little bit of hurt. Both of you feel that the other person has hurt you, but it's a mutual feeling that both of you are having. Let's also see what is the blockage in the relationship. Now that's the Empress card. Again, that's major arcana, and it means that there could be one energy, okay, a different energy altogether that's trying to stop both of you. Okay, now in some cases Empress also means fertility, pregnancy. So for some of you, maybe there could be a pregnancy outside this relationship. That's the blockage. Now let's also go ahead and see what is the outcome. Now that's the Devil card, which is a very negative energy. Okay, somebody somewhere has some negative habits or maybe some negative friends, and that's what is causing all this problem. Okay, until and unless you don't care of this Devil energy, you will go round and round and you will not be able to achieve commitment or marriage in this relationship. Now let's quickly see what is the intention of this person for you for this particular month. So the first card is Knight of Swords, Strength card, and Moon energy. Knight of Swords is again a very unstable energy. This is when a person rushes in. If they have to tell you something, they will tell you that and they will walk away. There's no stability there. The next two cards, the Strength card and the Moon card, it means that this person will have to be a little bit brave in order to go ahead and tell you something, because for sure it looks like that there is some kind of a secret that this person is hiding from you. Now let's quickly also see what is the message from the Moonology oracle cards for both of you. So the message that I see here is have faith in your dreams. So if you have lost faith, then don't, because this card says that you need to have faith in your dreams, okay, and your dreams would go ahead and give you that message or signal of what is coming for you in the future. Now let's also quickly go ahead and see what is the message from the archangels and a crystal that can help you in the situation. So the crystal is watermelon tourmaline. The crystal messages: are you looking for romance? Do you need more attention and affection? It is time to nurture yourself, to treat yourself the way you would want others to treat you. It is a good time to rev up your self-acceptance and increase your willingness to allow more love in your life. Now there's also a message here from Archangel Shimol that I'll put in the description box. That's all that I have for you for this particular video. If you like the content of these videos, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until the next video, stay safe, love yourself first.